This is the Classic KMG belt grinder by Beaumont Metal Works. This particular version is a 3-speed version which uses a constant speed motor and a series of step pulleys between the motor and the drive shaft on the grinder. These step pulleys are used to change the speed of the grinding belt. This particular set of pulleys was chosen in the design stages of the belt grinder because the center distance between the motor shaft and the grinder shaft remains the same for each position of the belt. So what this means is that you can simply walk the belt from one groove to another without having to readjust the motor. Just look at these videos from different angles and see how easy this is. Notice that the KMG, not only is it easy to change the speed of the belt, but it's also very easy to change the belt. KMG was designed under 3 basic principles: simple, robust, and versatile. If you like these kind of videos, click the button below to follow us. Leave us a comment, and always feel free to drop us a line. Thanks for watching.